pro a game.
No, I won't. No, I won't.
Okay.
No, just kidding.
Wait. Just let me open the door. Hold on.
Okay.
Go on.
Well, let me think. What did we play?
Okay. What game?
Did you recommend Fika to watch series The Gift? Yeah. And what game? Let me think.
I have Zaytoon.
Oh, the green or the black one?
The green. Oh, man kan see good. Yeah.
What game do we?
You say you guys play so many games.
Yeah, I mean we played the ones that we've played together already in the live.
Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih sudah klik video ini. Fanny Fabiola buat geger lagi orang-orang di Swedia. Nah kali ini guys ada wanita cantik yang ingin memeriksa video Fanny Fabiola. Dan tentunya ini ada berkaitan dengan suaranya Celine Dion. Waduh, ini kalau seandainya Celine Dion itu melihat videonya Fanny Fabiola, iri nggak kira-kira ya? Tulis komentar kalian di bawah video ini. Oke deh, tanpa berlama-lama lagi, langsung aja kita cek ke videonya. Let's go.
Hi there and welcome
Hi,
to
beautiful.
Reacting with Petra. I'm Petra, I'm from Sweden, and today I will be reacting to Fanny Fabiola singing The Power of Love. She's gonna sing the cover of The Power of Love by Celine Dion.
Betul.
People get mad when I say Celine Dion's song, but I'm saying it's the cover of Celine Dion's version of The Power of Love. I'll leave a link to the original video in the description box, as well as a link to Petra's Playground. Please subscribe there, but let's go.
Siapa yang nggak tahu The Power of Love ya? Saya aja tahu kok ya. Duh, yang aransemen musiknya juga bagus banget ini ya.
So much heels this time. Why is it so easy?
Sampai begitu tuh reaktornya. Nice, Fanny. Ngeri banget. Merinding guys.
Very mellow version.
Oke, sebelah sini nih. Saya kepengen denger nada tingginya guys ya.
Come on.
Sebelah mana nada tingginya nih?
Come on, girl.
Belum.
Follow the run. 'Cause I feel like I can't go on. Follow the run. 'Cause I feel like I can't go on. 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 '
diteriakin sama dia ya.
Wow.
Wow.
You guys, she is amazing, and you know, I think she's amazing. She has such a good voice. She's such a good, like, she has emotion in her voice when she's singing. And this version was a little bit different, in my opinion, than Celine Dion's, which is good. I think it's good when you do a cover that it isn't like, because she has a very similar Celine Dion voice, actually. As I said before, I think she has a similar voice to Celine Dion, but she has like a lighter voice.
Oke, terima kasih buat cewek cantik dari Swedia ini yang telah memberikan komentar banyak kepada Fanny Fabiola. Yang jelas gini guys ya, kalau kita bilang nih ya, suara mirip itu bukan berarti suaranya sama.